Greetings everyone, my name is Tony Holowitz and thank you for being here. In this quick tutorial I want to show you how to determine what version of Act Premium Cloud you currently have. Now Act Premium Cloud does updates behind the scenes. You wouldn't even necessarily know what update you have because they're just updated, and when you log in it's just there. There's no software to install like in Classic Act, which you have to sometimes install updates manually. Having said that, the way you determine it is very simple. Right up here, I'm in the demo database. The user in this database is named Chris Huffman. To the right of it, there's a little question mark in a circle. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to come down to where it says About Act. And now this box will pop up and tell you what version of Act you have. If you notice right up top here, it says Act version January 2024 R1 hotfix. So when there's updates, you will see these updates right here. This is how you determine it. And generally they come out, as of today, roughly every month. They bring out new things. Or if there's a fix they need to do, they can apply it behind the scenes without even having to interfere or complicate your life and ask you to do something. It just is there. My name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach back to me. Be well, my friends.